You know how most health insurance plans make you earn your extra coverage? Like, we'll double your sum insured after a few years, provided you don't raise a claim. Well, HDFC ERGO Optima Secure skips all of that. It starts with 2x coverage from day one without any wait or without any fine print. On the other side, Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 has just arrived and it's making noise for completely different reason. Day one coverage for pre-existing diseases and even the option for unlimited sum insured. So today, we're putting both of these feature-packed plans head to head to see which one actually works better for you. Hello folks, I'm Shang and you're watching Ditto Insurance. So backed by Zerodha have helped over 8 lakh Indians make smarter insurance decisions through honest and spam-free advice. Both these insurers are our partners, but like always, this comparison is going to be completely unbiased, based purely on facts, performance and value. And if after watching you'd like help picking the right plan for your family, just book a free consultation using the link in the description. There'll be no spam and there'll be no upselling. That's my promise. Alright, let's start with how both insurers perform operationally, because at the end of the day, what really matters is how they behave when a claim actually hits. HDFC ERGO comes with an excellent track record. It's got a CSR, that's claim settlement ratio of 97%, which is the average of 22 to 25, and incurred claims ratio of around 86%, which is the average of 21 to 24, and only about 9 complaints per 10,000 claims. Now, that's among the cleanest in the industry. Plus, with over 13,000 cashless hospitals in their network, they're pretty strong. Now, Niva Bupa, on the other hand, has a 92% CSR and an incurred claims ratio of 58%. The complaint volume is noticeably higher at around 43 per 10,000 claims, and their network sits at still respectable 10,000 plus hospitals. So, purely on service quality and consistency, HDFC ERGO clearly has the edge. Now, both plans are open to adults starting at 18 years and coverage is lifelong. Children are covered from 91 days onward up to 25 years under HDFC ERGO and up to 30 years under Niva Bupa. HDFC ERGO offers sum insured options from 5 lakh all the way up to 2 crore rupees, while 3.0 takes it up a notch, offering 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs and even unlimited coverage in their 3.0 version. Now, policy tenures go up to 3 years with HDFC ERGO and up to 5 years with Niva Bupa. So, if you're looking for ultra long coverage or unlimited sum insured, Niva Bupa wins on the variety. But if you prefer simplicity and a more time-tested structure, HDFC ERGO keeps things straightforward. Here's where a lot of plans start to hide limitations like room rent caps, disease-wise sublimits, or co-pays that catch you off guard during a claim. Look, with HDFC ERGO Optima Secure, you don't have to worry about any of that. There's no co-payment, there's no disease-wise sublimit, and absolutely no room rent restriction. You can pick any room, even a private AC or a suite, and the insurer will still cover it. Now, Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0, on the other hand, depends on the variant that you choose. That's right, there are multiple variants. The classic variant restricts you to a general room and even caps modern treatments at 1 lakh rupees per claim. Select opens up twin sharing rooms plus caps modern treatment at 1 lakh rupees per claim. Elite allows any room except suites, and finally the black variant gives you full freedom with no copay, no room rent and no disease-wise sublimits. So unless you're buying the elite or black variant, you'll need to keep an eye on these hidden limits. Both plans cover pre and post hospitalization for 60 and 180 days respectively. Day care, domiciliary care and Ayush treatments are all covered up until full sum insured. Ambulance cover also differs. HDFC ERGO includes both road and air ambulance up to sum insured and 5 lakhs respectively, while Niva Bupa reserves air ambulance only for its higher sum insured variants. Okay, now let's talk about what truly makes these plans unique. HDFC ERGO Optima Secure has 4 inbuilt layers of protection. Number 1, secure benefit. It doubles your cover from day one. A 10 lakh plan instantly becomes 20 lakhs rupees without any waiting or without any conditions. Second is protect benefit, which covers consumables and non-payables like gloves, syringes and PP kits that most insurers don't reimburse. Number 3, plus benefit. This boosts your base cover by 50% every year up to 100% even if you've made a claim. Last one is restore benefit, which automatically refills your base sum insured once per year if it gets exhausted, covering both related and unrelated illnesses. Now, Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 meanwhile focuses on longevity and flexibility. Its Booster Plus feature rolls over any unused coverage up to 10 times your base sum insured, and its ReAssure Forever feature restores your sum insured unlimited times for life. So if you want instant high coverage from day one, HDFC ERGO is unbeatable. If you prefer unlimited restoration and carry forward protection, Niva Bupa takes the lead. Now here's a major difference. HDFC ERGO has standard waiting periods, 30 days initial, 2 years for specific illnesses, 3 years for pre-existing diseases. Now, if you pick their ABCD chronic care add-on, common lifestyle diseases like asthma, BP, cholesterol, and diabetes are covered after just 30 days. Niva Bupa, however, completely changes the game. They've introduced day 1 PD coverage for up to 145 conditions. Yes, day 1 coverage. But they charge a risk-based loading. The loadings are capped at 100% per condition or 150% per person. It is an expensive option, yes, but for people struggling to get coverage because of existing health issues, it's kind of revolutionary. Now, HDFC ERGO lets you enhance your coverage with unlimited restore, so your restore benefit works multiple times per year. Limitless add-on, which offers infinite value claims once or twice in policy lifetime depending on the opted sum insured. Parenthood cover for maternity and IVF. Optima well-being for unlimited OPD visits in clinic and online. Free home lab sample collection, wellness and fitness sessions, plus up to 50% discounts on tests, checkups, and medicines available in only select cities. And of course, hospital cash and the ABCD chronic care add-on. Now, Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 has its own set of flexible modules, but please note that these add-ons discussed are the ones that are currently live on insurer's website. Policy documents may mention additional that are not live or available yet. Claim Safeguard Plus to cover consumables, borderless coverage for international treatments from 10 lakh rupees all the way up to 5 crore rupees depending on the variant. Cashback Plus that gives cashback for claim-free years. Well Consult Plus for OPD and fitness-related stuff, and tiered network and heads-up option for premium discounts if you use recommended hospitals. Niva Bupa One gives access to exclusive health assessment and provides priority claims and dedicated claim services. Annual health checkup available from day 1 on a cashless basis as per defined packages. Now, if you like to personalize your plan with lots of moving parts, Niva Bupa is the modular one. But if you want everything important bundled clearly into one neat package, HDFC ERGO is quite simpler. Now, before going to the discount, let me remind you folks that consultation with Ditto is completely free. We just don't help you pick the right plan or help you compare 2 different plans. We also help you with application all the way up to the claims. Yes, you heard that. Our claim support is also completely free. We put out claim stories every week. I will link a couple of them in the description so you can check out how Ditto really helps its clients. Alright, now back to the discounts. HDFC ERGO gives 5% online discount, 5% employee discount for HDFC Group or Munich RE employees, 2.5% loyalty discount, and 10% family discount, all stackable up to 20%, plus 7.5% off for 2-year terms and 10% off for 3-year terms. Niva Bupa takes discounts to another level. Apart from standard long-term discounts, there's a 5% digital discount, 5% doctor discount, 15% NRI discount, 10% staff discount, 2.5% standing instruction or early renewal discount that can be availed, and up to 30% renewal discount through their Live Healthy program if you track steps on their app. Now, folks, remember not all of these apply on every channel, so confirm before buying. Okay, now let's take a look at the real numbers for a 25-year-old individual in Delhi. Premiums are on your screen. So overall, Niva Bupa is more affordable, especially in the lower tiers, while HDFC ERGO commands a premium for its service consistency. Now, here's our take based on Ditto's cut. What we like about HDFC ERGO Optima Secure is that the 2x coverage from day 1 is genuinely useful. You're never underinsured even in your first year. The Protect benefit covering consumables saves you from nasty surprises during hospitalization, and the Plus and Restore layers keep your protection growing automatically. Now, combine that with an excellent claim settlement record and strong digital servicing, and you have a very dependable plan. What could be better? Well, premiums at older ages are steep, and some add-ons like Optimum Wellbeing or Parenthood are restricted by city or eligibility. Now, what we like about Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0, the day 1 PD coverage is groundbreaking for people with medical histories. The unlimited sum insured and ReAssure Forever give extraordinary depth of protection, and the borderless and cashback plus add-ons bring flexibility and rewards. Now, what concerns here are it's a brand new version with no claim track records yet, so complaint ratios are still high, and the lower variants like Classic and Select have too many room rent and sublimit restrictions. So for now, we're watching how Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 performs over the next few months before recommending it fully. So folks, that was it, our detailed comparison between HDFC ERGO Optima Secure and Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0, 2 very different philosophies in health insurance. And yes, if you are still unsure which one fits your family, don't decide blind. Book a free no obligation consultation with our IDI certified advisors using the link in the description. We'll help you understand what actually matters for your situation, not just what looks good on paper. Thank you for watching, folks. I will see you on the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.